So many young children, so many teenagers don't even know how they should be treated, because your childhood, your parents determines your adulthood. If you are being treated so badly because your parents treated you so badly, they treated you in this way that if you will be this, I'll be this, that like a barter system or something like that. So if a parent will be very good towards their children, they will nourish, they will be expressive. What happens is that most of the time in this generations, the people don't know how to speak up for their own self. They forget or bottle up all the emotion, just because bottling up all the emotion and being silent is the only coping method they know, because it's safe. You don't have to argue with peoples, you don't have to say something or go against the tide, means against the mentality of another human. It's safe to be among peoples. What happens is that our brain is made in such a way that it always stops us from doing something different. Means it always wanted to rest, it always want to choose the safest thing because it look good. Risk that we take, it's a choice, because our brain always try to stop us from doing any risky thing. It is designed in such a way. It will stop you. But when you do something rare, when you stop being mediocre, when you stop being normal in the sense is that when you stop the all small things and try to do something better, try to do something new, that is your choice. And it is like having the motivation to speak up for yourself. Whenever you see any injustice, you have to speak up. Help those who can't speak. Be the voice of someone else who cannot speak. Be the voice of those who are weak. Be the voice of those who cannot speak for their own self. I know that it's quite hard, because what you have been suffering and all the environment that you are having since your childhood cannot be changed, but you can always change the pattern. Teenagers, adulthood, anyone, it can be changed, because our nervous system can be developed, can have this kind of new emotion in it. If we change our environment, it will be kind to our own self. These are all important things. Mostly we don't have that kind of knowledge, so that we forget that these all things will gonna impact on us. But we have to be merciful towards people and towards our own self. So take care of yourself. I hope you are getting your try this pain over here, and always be kind to each other.